Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that's become a staple in many beauty routines, the Handcraft Blends Fractionated Coconut Oil. This 16 fel Oz bottle is marketed as 100% pure and natural, making it an excellent choice for skin and hair care, aromatherapy, and even as a carrier oil for essential oils. It's fragrance-free, hexane-free, preservative-free, and cruelty-free, ensuring a clean product that you can feel good about using. From my experience, using this fractionated coconut oil has been a delightful journey. It's incredibly lightweight, providing a silky smooth feeling that's perfect for all skin types without clogging pores. Whether you're using it as a moisturizer or a massage oil, it glides on effortlessly, making it a breeze to incorporate into your daily routine. Plus, it absorbs quickly, which means you won't be left with a greasy residue. Performance-wise, this oil shines as a versatile hair tonic too. I've noticed a remarkable improvement in my scalp health and hair texture after regular use. It adds volume and shine while helping to support hair growth. I've tested it by applying it as a leave-in conditioner, and it worked wonders in taming frizz and enhancing my hair's natural beauty. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Handcraft Blends Fractionated Coconut Oil is incredibly moisturizing and absorbs quickly into the skin. Users frequently praise its effectiveness in controlling frizz and enhancing hair shine. However, some may find its lack of scent a downside, especially if you're expecting that classic coconut aroma. In comparison with similar products, this fractionated coconut oil stands out due to its high quality and purity. Many alternatives on the market may not be as refined or free from harmful additives. In terms of value for money, I'd say it's quite favorable. Given its quality, durability, and the multitude of uses it offers, you're definitely getting your money's worth. When it comes to build quality, the materials used in Handcraft blends, fractionated coconut oil, are top-notch. It feels robust and well-constructed, with no issues of durability that I've encountered thus far. It's user-friendly as well. Even if you're a beginner, you'll find it simple to use in various applications, from skincare to hair care. Regarding customer support, feedback indicates that the company is responsive and helpful, ensuring any concerns are addressed quickly and efficiently. Real-world testing has confirmed this product's effectiveness in multiple scenarios. I've used it for aromatherapy by diluting essential oils, and it has performed beautifully, allowing the scents to come through without overpowering. As for updates, there haven't been any significant changes or recalls since its launch, which speaks to its consistent quality. In conclusion, I highly recommend Handcraft Blends Fractionated Coconut Oil for anyone looking to enhance their skincare or hair care routine. It's especially beneficial for those with dry skin or hair in need of extra nourishment. If you're in the market for alternatives, brands like Now Solutions or Sky Organics offer similar products that may also meet your needs without breaking the bank. If you're enjoying this review, liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon will help us bring you more great content. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the comments for the link to purchase this product. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences if you've tried it.